Hello students, this is ISI M.MATH 2021 question paper. I have in the previous video I've solved one and I will be solving from 2 today. This is a probability based problem. A person throws he throws a fair pair of dice. Okay, a pair of fair dice. So if the sum of the numbers on the dice is a perfect square, sum of the numbers is like a perfect square. For example, 1 plus 3 in that way, or 4 plus 5. So then the probability that the number 3 appeared on at least one of the dice. So 3 appeared on at least one of the dice. So the possible combinations 1, 3, so number 3, so there is another case, 3, 6 is also possible. Okay, so in that way, in the reverse way, 5, 4 is also possible and 6, 3 is also possible. 3, 1 is also possible. So 3, 1 is also possible and 2, 2 is a possibility. So these are the cases and the total sum is from 2 to 12, anything can happen. So the only perfect square that can appear are 4 and 9, two perfect squares. So 4 appears in 3 cases, 1, 2, 3, 9 appears in these 4 cases. So the perfect square appears in total 7 cases. Total 7 cases. Okay. Now, among them, 4 cases, the number 3 appears, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 cases where the number 3 appears on the dice. So the probability, which is our answer, is probability equal to favorable cases by total cases. So favorable cases here 4 and total cases is 7. So the answer is 4 by 7.